Introduction. The Chengdu J10C is a fourth-generation multi-role fighter jet developed by Chengdu Aircraft Corporation, CAC, in China. It is the most advanced version of the J-10 fighter jet family and was first revealed in 2016. The J-10C is the latest version of the J-10 fighter jet, which was first developed in the late 1980s. Background: the J-10 was designed to be a lightweight, multi-role fighter jet that could compete with fourth-generation fighters from other countries. The J10C is an improved version of the J10 that incorporates a number of new technologies, including an AESA radar, a more powerful engine, and a new avionics suite. Development: the J10C made its public debut in 2016 and is currently being produced in large numbers for the Chinese Air Force. It is also being exported to other countries, including Pakistan and Myanmar. The J10C is a medium-weight, all-weather jet that can be equipped with fourth-generation air-to-air missiles such as the short-range PL-10 and the beyond visual range PL-15. The jet can also feature a bigger active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar compared to the one installed in the JF-17 Block 3 jets, PTI reported. Radar: the J10C is equipped with an indigenous active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, which provides it with improved air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities. It is also equipped with a new generation of avionics, including a digital cockpit and an electronic warfare suite. Engine: the J10C is powered by a single WS-10B engine, which gives it a top speed of Mach 2.2 and a combat radius of over 1,000 kilometers. It is armed with a variety of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and bombs. The J10C is a significant improvement over previous versions of the J10 fighter jet. It is more capable in air-to-air combat and air-to-ground missions, and it has a more advanced avionics suite. The J10C is also the first Chinese fighter jet to be equipped with an AESA radar. Here are some of the key specifications of the Chengdu J10C fighter jet. Length: 15.6 meters. Wingspan: 9.75 meters. Height: 5.4 meters. Empty weight: 9,500 kilograms. Maximum takeoff weight: 19,500 kilograms. Top speed: Mach 2.2. Combat radius: 1,000 kilometers. Engine: 1 times WS-10B afterburning turbofan. Avionics: digital cockpit, AESA radar, electronic warfare suite. Armaments: air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, bombs. The J10C is a formidable fighter jet that is capable of taking on a variety of air and ground targets. It is also a significant technological achievement for China, as it is the first Chinese fighter jet to be equipped with an AESA radar. The J10C is expected to play a major role in the Chinese Air Force for many years to come. Here are some additional details about the J10C's avionics, engine performance, airframe, armaments, and electronic warfare capability. Avionics: the J10C is equipped with a digital cockpit that features a large head-up display, HUD, and multifunction displays. It also has an AESA radar, which provides it with improved air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities. The J10C's avionics suite is also integrated with an electronic warfare suite, which can be used to jam enemy radars and communications. The J10C is equipped with a modern digital cockpit that features a large head-up display, HUD, and multifunction displays. It also has an AESA radar, which provides it with improved air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities. The J10C's avionics suite is also integrated with an electronic warfare suite, which can be used to jam enemy radars and communications. Engine performance: the J10C is powered by a single WS-10B afterburning turbofan engine. This engine provides the J10C with a top speed of Mach 2.2 and a combat radius of over 1,000 kilometers. Airframe: the J10C's airframe is made of metal alloys and composite materials. This makes it lightweight and strong, and it also helps to reduce the radar cross-section of the aircraft. Armaments: the J10C can carry a variety of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and bombs. It can also carry a targeting pod or an in-flight refueling probe. In the air-to-air mode, the J10 can make use of China's PL-15, CH-A-10A, extended range air-to-air missile is a fast-pacing weapon with a peak speed of above Mach 5. The PL-15 has a kinematic range of around 200 kilometers. The PL-15, however, appears to combine speed with maneuverability and beyond visual range. The missile is almost certainly fitted with an active electronically scanned array radar. It is integrated on the Chengdu J-20, J-10C, and Shenyang J-16. The PL-8, PL-9, PL-11, or PL-12 line of short and medium-range air-to-air missiles. The PL-8 is a dual air-to-air/air-to-ground solution based off of the Israeli Python 3. The PL-9 is a short-range air-to-air missile with infrared homing capability that can exceed speeds of Mach 3.0. The PL-12 is a beyond visual range, BVR, medium-range air-to-air missile comparable to the American AIM-120 AMRAAM. Air-to-surface weaponry is provided for by way of the PJ-9 and YJ-9K missiles. Conventional munitions are composed of general air-to-surface rocket pods, 90 mm caliber, laser-guided smart bombs, such as the LT-2, glide bombs, the LS-6, a satellite-guided munition, and traditional drop bombs of varying sizes, 250 kg to 500 kg. In addition to arms, the J-10 can sport up to 3x external jettisonable fuel tanks for increased operational ranges. One such implement is carried along the center line fuselage, about 450 gallons, whilst the other two can be fitted on cleared underwing hardpoints, 212 gallons each. While standard armament for the J-10 is a twin-barrel Type 23 to 323 mm cannon, offset to port under the intake near the nose landing gear, the bread and butter of any multi-role aircraft is in its ability to field a wide variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground stores. The J-10 makes use of no fewer than 11 hardpoints, emplacements along the airframe cleared for munitions mounting, made up of 6 underwings, 3 to a wing, and 5 under fuselage positions. The 5 under fuselage positions include a center line hardpoint, a pair of forward-mounted hardpoints, near the intake opening, and a pair of aft-mounted hardpoints, about mid-fuselage, all centered around the external structure that makes up the intake assembly. The total munitions load has a reported limitation of up to 9,900 pounds. In addition to mounting destructive weaponry across its 11 hardpoints, the J-10 can also field several avionics pods to help along in any given sortie. This includes the FILAT, forward-looking, infrared laser attack targeting pod, the Blue Sky Navigation Attack Pod, the BM/KG-300G Jamming Pod, the KZ-900 Electronic Reconnaissance Pod and the Type Hongguang Infrared Search and Track Pod. The BM/KG-300G is of indigenous origin and primarily serves to combat all types of airborne and land-based pulse Doppler radar systems. The KZ-900 is a relatively recent addition, the late 1990s, to the Chinese military and is a fully automatic reconnaissance pod designed to collect radar signals and provide for real-time. Order of battle. Blue Sky is thought to be based on Western design after China received such a system by way of Saddam Hussein after claiming a downed Allied aircraft in the Gulf War. FILAT is thought to be the Chinese equivalent of the Western AN/AAQ-14 targeting pod. Electronic warfare capability. The J10C's electronic warfare suite can be used to jam enemy radars and communications. It can also be used to decoy enemy missiles. The J10C is a highly capable fighter jet that is equipped with the latest avionics and weapons systems. It is a major technological achievement for China and is expected to play a major role in the Chinese Air Force for many years to come. The J10 makes use of a multi-target tracking and engagement suite. The fire control system is of an indigenous design and features a radar system capable of tracking up to 10 targets simultaneously with multiple target engagements possible depending on the missile. Seeker type: 2 targets when using a semi-active radar homing and 4 targets when using an active radar homing air-to-air missile. Its complexity and technical nature are believed to be on par with that as found in Western-type 4th-generation fighters. Conclusion: the Chengdu J10C, part of the J10 Vigorous Dragon family, is a medium-weight, single-engine multi-role combat aircraft developed by China. Its history dates back to the mid-1980s, with roots in aerodynamic layout technology from the late 1970s. The J10C features advanced avionics, fly-by-wire flight control, and an AESA radar system for enhanced situational awareness. Its engine, the Saturn AL-31, provides exceptional thrust, enabling a top speed of 2,327 km/h and a range of 1,850 km. The airframe combines a delta wing and canard design for agility and maneuverability. Armaments include air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, guided bombs, and a 23 mm cannon. The J10C is equipped for electronic warfare, with jamming and countermeasure capabilities. Its role encompasses air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions, showcasing its advanced technology and versatility in modern aerial warfare.